Welcome to a realm where the vast and the quantum intertwine, where every event holds a deeper purpose. If you've stumbled upon this video, it's not by mere chance. It's because the universe has a message meant just for you. If you've been caught in the relentless grip of financial difficulties, there's no need to sink into sadness and misery. We've all experienced hardship and tough times, but fret not. I'm here to unveil a transformative technique that guarantees your life will be filled with prosperity and abundance. Join me on this journey to break free from the never-ending struggle and attain the financial freedom you've always dreamt of. Greetings, dear seekers of financial freedom. I'm elated that you've chosen to embark on this profound journey with me today. The wisdom we're about to explore has the power to reshape your life in ways you've never imagined. Before we dive into this extraordinary expedition, I urge you to engage with us. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the insights and wisdom we share. Now, without further ado, let's plunge into the depths of transformation. We embark on a journey into the profound wisdom of Dr. Joseph Murphy and the New Thought movement, but before we delve deeper, let's set the stage for what's about to unfold. The New Thought movement, which originated in the United Kingdom and radiated its influence worldwide, brought together brilliant minds such as Connie Mendes, Emmett Fox, and Joseph Murphy. Their message was resolute: being rich, abundant, and successful is not a fleeting desire. It's an inherent birthright that each of us can claim. Now consider your faith, whatever it may be, and take a moment to reflect on the teachings from various religious texts. Across these traditions, a common thread emerges. Goodness is the norm, and poverty or scarcity is undesirable. Even revered spiritual masters like Jesus and Buddha were not proponents of poverty. Instead, they advocated finding balance between the spiritual and material realms. Buddha, for instance, initially renounced all material possessions, only to later realize the need for a harmonious coexistence of both. To be humble in spirit and prosperous in pocket is the essence of their teachings, a message that resonates with authors such as Dr. Joseph Murphy and Neville Goddard. Now, let's pivot to the remarkable journey of Napoleon Hill towards understanding success. His path was guided by none other than Andrew Carnegie, a titan of the steel industry and one of the wealthiest individuals of his time. Carnegie entrusted Hill with a mission to uncover the law of success, and it was during this journey that Hill began to unearth the remarkable insights documented in his iconic work, Think and Grow Rich. Hill's revelation was profound. Everything in life commences with the power of thought. Poverty, he realized, is nothing more than a state of mind, a mental affliction that hampers your ability to prosper. It all begins with your mindset and your belief in what is possible. Hill's research and observations solidified the idea that success and abundance are not determined by external circumstances, but by the power of your thoughts and beliefs. If you believe in a divine power or God, consider this: God desires the best for you. He doesn't wish hardship or scarcity upon you, but rather wants you to flourish in all aspects of life. To transform your life, you must start by changing your perspective, shedding the illusions that cloud your senses and keep you trapped in a state of despair and scarcity. Your thoughts shape your reality, and it's crucial to break free from those negative thinking patterns. This is where Dr. Joseph Murphy's teachings come into play. He recommends making affirmations a constant part of your life. Affirm daily: money is freely circulating in my life, and there is always divine provision. As you consistently affirm this truth, your subconscious mind becomes convinced of its reality. You'll begin to realize that poverty was merely a feeling, a construct of your own making. It was never genuinely there. Now, let's delve even deeper into the transformational process. The key to breaking free from your old thinking habits and immersing yourself fully in this new mental state is the state of superconsciousness. This state, as explained by various spiritual leaders, including Jesus, is a realm where your consciousness is at its peak, where you can mold and shape your reality with your thoughts and beliefs. To access this state, you must first gain control over your emotions and thought processes. Only when you've mastered your mind can you unlock the potential for abundance. This is not an easy task, but it is a necessary one. The superconscious state is the foundation upon which you can build the life you desire. But how do you get there? How do you truly reprogram your mind and unleash your inner potential? The answer lies in embracing a daily practice of affirmation. The affirmation we mentioned earlier, "Money is freely circulating in my life, and there is always divine provision," is your key to rewiring your subconscious mind. It's vital to make this affirmation a constant presence in your life. Repeat it when you wake up, throughout the day when you're feeling anxious, depressed, or doubtful, and even before you go to sleep. Write it down in a notebook, save it as a reminder on your phone, and let it be a part of your daily existence. The more you immerse yourself in this affirmation, the more it takes root in your consciousness. As you do this, you'll gradually break free from the chains of your old, limiting thought patterns. You'll start to see the world with new eyes, and your perception of scarcity and poverty will fade away. You'll begin to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. Your life will shift from a state of lack to one of abundance, not because the external world has changed, but because you've transformed your internal world. Now consider this for a moment. What's stopping you from creating the life you've always desired? The power to manifest financial freedom, happiness, and abundance isn't something that's out of reach. It's within you, waiting to be harnessed. It all begins with your thoughts, your beliefs, and your willingness to change. You see, many great minds before us, from the spiritual masters of history to the modern thought leaders like Dr. Joseph Murphy and Napoleon Hill, have illuminated the path to prosperity. They've given us the tools, the insights, and the wisdom to unlock our true potential. I invite you to take this wisdom and apply it in your life. It's not just enough to listen and absorb this information. You must take action. You must make the conscious choice to break free from those old thought patterns that have held you back for far too long. It's time to embrace the state of superconsciousness, that realm where you hold the power to shape your reality and manifest your desires. Start your journey to abundance today. Begin by incorporating the daily affirmation, "Money is freely circulating in my life, and there is always divine provision," into your daily routine. Let this affirmation be your constant companion, guiding you toward a mindset of abundance and prosperity. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. I'm grateful for the opportunity to share these insights with you. But remember, the real power lies in your hands. Your journey towards financial freedom starts now. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, where we'll continue to explore the boundless possibilities that await those who dare to change their thinking and change their lives.